So we're going to be applying the DAF Illusion 50/50 perforated window film with the Opti-Clear Laminate. We're replacing a window that was smashed and we're redoing the whole graphic. But if you look at the edges, what we did before we applied the overlam is above the release liner we just cut and removed the perforated and then laminated it. And then trimmed it about 1/4 of an inch wider, and this way it'll create a edge seal with the Opti-Clear laminate once the liner is removed. So it's all along the edge here. We'll have a nice, what we call a safe edge, top and bottom. This is a laminate on the release liner, and this is laminate over the perforated. So that is how to do a safe edge with just laminate. You could also edge seal with a pen on the edge, and that's what we'll do here at the middle where the two windows were separated. We'll just come in with a acrylic edge seal pen, or in turn you could take strips of laminate, either the Opti-Clear or some cast, and just tape the interior edge here so it doesn't release. Remember, with perforated window film, especially a 50/50, you only have about 50% of the vinyl touching the glass. And the other key is when you apply this, don't push hard where the holes are, because then you'll be pushing the laminate into the holes. It's a little more difficult to do with a polyester because it's not as pliable as a vinyl. But you just want to apply the perforated to the glass, not the vinyl. So if you start pushing it in all these holes, then it'll look different from where you pushed it in to where you didn't, and then you'll have to decide whether to try to apply all that laminate through the holes, and that is prone to release. So we'll take another video with this being when this is finished. So here we're just applying nice and easy the perforated. You can see the overlam that we left a safe edge when we applied it is going down onto the glass. This will help prevent lifting, water seeping in. So that's and you can see that laminate on the edge here. Just clean that up. You could push a little harder on the laminate to make sure that's all applied correctly. So that's the first half with the safe edge. And we'll come back and show you the finished graphic. So we have the finished Illusion perforated 50/50 with the Safeguard Opti-Clear laminate. We used a felt squeegee to apply this. It'll keep less pressure on the perforated and thus not causing the laminate to push into the holes. Now we'll just come back with some edge seal, remembering that we have and you can see the edge seal going on, just to secure the edge of the perforated and the glass from water or release. Again, we'll do this side as well. That'll protect against releasing, especially if they don't wait 24 hours or longer for the adhesive to set. And remember, on the edges here, you could see the laminate we left over the edge, and that's done by removing the perforated on the edges but leaving the release liner before applying the Opti-Clear laminate. So you can see that's protecting the edges. So that's a good way to do the graphic. Remember, there's a slight curve to this window. The Illusion perforated is a low-cost window graphic solution with the Opti-Clear polyester laminate, but it is a calendared vinyl, so it's not intended for complex curves. This has a simple curve where we kind of went with the curve here in the center because the window curves in that direction, so we applied it here basically first and then kind of worked it up into that and down towards the curve, so it really tried not to stress the material. But with the edge seal and that technique, you should be fine to do perforated window films on transits like this. Thanks for watching.